WordPress and why it's the best CMS for your website. Why WordPress is best choice for all bloggers. WordPress is the best blog software for bloggers. It's easy to use, flexible, and has a massive support community. If you're looking for a blogging platform that will give you the freedom to explore your creativity while also giving you the tools to build a successful business, WordPress should be your first choice. WordPress provides an easy-to-use interface and lets you customize your site with endless design options. You can even make money from your blog by using their built-in advertising network or by selling products through their affiliate program. Why you should start using WordPress today. WordPress is the go-to blogging software of choice. It's free, easy to use, and can be customized to suit your needs. WordPress is a free and open-source blogging platform that allows you to post content on a blog or website. WordPress is used by over 28% of the top 10 million websites on the internet, making it one of the most popular platforms for bloggers. WordPress is a great tool for those who are just starting out with blogging because it's easy to use, has an intuitive interface, and doesn't require any coding knowledge. How WordPress can help you grow your blog traffic and earn more money. WordPress is a free and open-source content management system, CMS, that allows users to create their own website or blog. WordPress was first released in 2003, and it has since grown to be the most popular CMS in use today. WordPress is an excellent blogging platform because it offers a variety of features that allow you to customize your blog as you see fit. It also provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone to use, even those who are not tech-savvy. The CMS also features a number of plugins which can be used to further customize your blog, such as SEO plugins which help you improve your search engine rankings. Reasons why you should choose WordPress as your CMS today. WordPress is the most popular CMS today. It has a user-friendly interface and is easy to use. WordPress also has a large community of developers and plugins that can be used to extend its features. WordPress offers many benefits to its users such as user-friendliness, security, reliability, etc. But what really makes WordPress stand out from other CMSs is its large community of developers who create plugins and themes for it. There are more than 50,000 free plugins available for WordPress users. WordPress is a free and open-source content management system, CMS, that powers over 60 million websites. It's the most popular CMS in the world, used by more than 25 of all websites. Conclusion. WordPress and why it's the best CMS for your website. WordPress is a content management system that is used to create and manage websites. It is the most popular CMS in the world, powering over 28% of all websites on the internet. WordPress has been around for over a decade and it has grown exponentially over the years. In this article, we will discuss why you should start using WordPress today. WordPress has changed how people use the internet forever. It has become an essential tool for anyone who wants to share their thoughts with the world. As more and more people are starting blogs, it's important to have a platform that can handle all of their needs without slowing them down or getting in their way. WordPress does just that. It allows you to create whatever you want without any hassle at all.